Bike toolkits are an essential piece of equipment for any cyclist. There are many products available to choose bike toolkits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bike toolkits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 23-piece bike toolkit. The Cyclist 23-piece bike toolkit is perfect for routine maintenance, repairs and upgrades. The set includes chain rivet extractor, chain ring nut wrench, crank puller, freewheel turner and lock ring wrench, bottom bracket wrench, 15 mm pedal wrench, hex key wrench, 2-in-1 master link chain pliers, tire lever, screwdrivers, Torx wrench, hub spanner, spoke wrench, crank cap wrench, lock ring removal tool, cartridge BB tool, and tire patch kit, made from premium carbon steel and high-quality plastic. This tool set is durable and strong. The kit comes with a storage case for easy transport, making it ideal for bike mechanics at home, work, or on the road. Number 2. Duratec 35PC Bike Repair Kit. The Duratec Bike Repair Kit is the perfect all-in-one toolkit for bike enthusiasts. With 35 essential tools, this kit has everything you need to keep your bike in top condition. The high-quality materials ensure durability and strength, while the sturdy storage case keeps all the tools organized and secure. Whether you need to repair a flat tire, adjust your brakes, or replace a chain, this kit has you covered. It's the ideal gift for anyone who loves cycling and wants to be prepared for any maintenance or repair needs. Say goodbye to expensive bike shop visits and hello to DIY bike maintenance with the Duratec Bike Repair Kit. Number 3. Bike Repair Toolkit with Mini Bicycle Pump. iLucky Toolkit is a professional bike repair tool kit set that includes a bicycle saddle bag, mini bicycle pump, 16-in-1 multi-tool, tire lever, patches, and a bright bike rear light. The waterproof and large-capacity bicycle tool bag is made of sturdy and durable materials, providing ample room for all the tools and your belongings. The 16-in-1 multi-tool is made of high-quality stainless steel and can handle various repair tasks. The 120 Simony pump with a built-in boost pressure system makes inflating flat tires effortless. The easy installation of the saddlebag and the reflective design ensure safe night riding. With iLucky Toolkit, you can enjoy hassle-free bike riding and have all the necessary tools at your fingertips. Number 4. Watto Bike Repair Toolkit. The Watto 16-in-1 Bike Multi-Tool Kit is built to last with chrome vanadium steel and can withstand high turning force. Equipped with various Allen keys, socket hex wrench, flat wrench, spoke 14G, and screwdriver, it is a perfect riding companion for road and mountain bikes. The compact size of 350/181 1-inch makes it easy to carry and fit into saddlebags or pockets. Additionally, the kit includes 3 nylon tire pry bars and an extra Allen wrench for bolt tightening or loosening. Number 5. Bikeahand 19-piece Bike Bicycle Repair Tool Kit Set. Introducing the Bikeahand Repair Tool Kit, a comprehensive set of 19 essential bike maintenance tools. This kit includes a chain rivet extractor, hex key wrenches, screwdrivers, pedal wrench, spanners, socket wrench, lock ring remover, freewheel turner, hub cone spanner, bottom bracket wrench, spoke wrench, cartridge bottom bracket tool, crank puller, patch kit, and an essential torque wrench kit. Made with pro-quality materials, these tools are built to last and are designed to prevent wear and tear over years of use. The sturdy storage case keeps the tools organized and secure, making it convenient to carry. Whether you're a heavy bike enthusiast or a professional, the Bikeahand Repair Toolkit is the best choice to meet your bike maintenance needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.